Okay, so this is the help video for Sea Turtle Summer Quiz. It's not really a quiz because we're going to be using the magazine to help us with this. Whether you're A day or B day, this is going to be done remotely because this is the Wednesday assignment, and everyone is virtual on Wednesdays. So, again, you can use the magazine or your copied version of the magazine if that's what you needed to use for this. And remember, A day, we read this on Monday. B day, you were needing to read this at home before you started doing the remote activities for setting and theme. Okay, so the directions say read the play, which we already did. Then fill in the bubble next to the best answer for each question below. Remember that multiple choice questions can have more than one good answer. We're looking for the answer that best answers the specific question being asked. All right, so number 1, which new title, so if we could change the title, would best suggest the theme or message of this play? So we already have come up with the theme, the life message that we all can learn from what happened in this play and apply to our own lives. If the author were going to change the title, which of these would he pick that would show us that theme or that life message? Which of these does the best job of letting us know what the theme or message of this play is? Is it A, life is sad, B, boating in Florida, C, wildlife in the water, or D, the beauty behind the clouds? Number 2, which sentence from the play supports your answer to question 1? So which of these, would we use to prove that the choice we picked up here was the correct answer? Would we pick, you can't have a glorious sunset like this without the clouds? B, but it's a Red Sox cap. Mel got me that one in Boston. C, Marco, Mel, Lita, and Lolo are on a boat. Or D, poor guy looks close to starving. Number 3, which of the following is not mentioned as a fact about sea turtles? So 3 of these are true. 1 is not a fact about sea turtles. We are picking the one that is not a fact about sea turtles. Is the one that's not a fact, they can be huge? Is this not a fact? They live long lives? C, is this not a fact? They are loners? Or D, is this not a fact? They sleep a lot. So which one is not a fact? Number 4, the play says that Marco's eyes suddenly well up. The words well up show. Does it show that Marco has an allergy? Marco does not want to look? Marco is almost crying? Or that Marco is feeling sick? Number 5, why does Marco ask about Elmar's friends? Does he ask because he misses Mel? He hopes to keep Elmar? He is making conversation, or he is studying turtle behavior? Which of those would be the best answer based on Marco and who he is and what's going on in his life? Number 6, why had Elmar been starving? Was it because he couldn't find food? Was it because he ate trash which blocked his intestines? Was it because he had a disease and wasn't hungry? Or was it because he was injured? So we're looking at cause and effect here. What caused him to be starving? Number 7, which character trait best describes Marco? Is Marco a thoughtful person, shy person, confident person, or a rude person? Based on the play and everything that happened on it and what we learned about Marco. Number 8, which line from the play best supports what you picked for number 7? So based on the answer choice you picked, which of these would be evidence to show that he is that kind of a person? Would you pick, what if we combine our names? Why would a turtle eat a balloon? Marco bites his lip? Or look how feisty he is? All right, down at the bottom, you are picking one of the two to answer. So, it does say to do it on a separate sheet of paper, but to save paper, we can complete it on the back. That's what I recommend. All right, number 9. How does Marco's behavior throughout the play tell you how he feels about Elmar? That's the first part of the question. How does Marco's behavior throughout the play tell you how he feels about Elmar? And then give 3 examples to support your answer. So we're going to look at 3 things that Marco did that shows how he feels about Elmar. So first you need to decide, how does he feel about Elmar? And then pick 3 examples in the play that shows he feels that way. Number 10. How have Marco's feelings changed by the end of the story? What do you think he will tell Mel in his letter? So how has Marco's feelings changed over the course of the story? So how he's feeling different at the end, and we need to state that and how he's feeling that's different from the beginning. And then what do you think he will tell Mel in his letter? So we're going to infer, based on what's happened in this story, what he's going to say to Mel in his letter. You have to answer both parts of question 10 to get it right. You have to answer both parts of question 9 if that's the one you choose to do to get it right as well. Again, I recommend doing it on the back. If you have any questions about this or need any further help, you can message me in Google Classroom. You can send me an email. Your parents can message me on Blooms or send me a text message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.